Welcome to Ganaka Reborn channel. Enjoy, guys.
3 months. No, more.
No, sa kampo.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Very mampait yan.
I miss this. This is my
Pion
one of
kayo.
my mother's
Favorite.
yeah. Always the favorite.
What do you call that, tapo?
We call it a tapoy here in
Kalinga.
Kalinga. And it is so good,
Fermented
but
rice.
if you eat a lot, it will make you drunk, get
Makasulap
drunk.
ka dago.
Mhm.
Ayan na, you try this one, Noy.
Yes, and this is the 3 weeks one.
Original
I
yan.
know when I was young, I've been eating like this, and I went and found rice, and I found my tool.
Sweeter, yeah? Mild.
It's good. Oh my God. Where did you get the powder, the fermented, the powder that
We just bought from market and then sometimes we paamya po on. We do.
maybe I can
Out
tell
of-
I can. Yeah.
Okay. Ipas?
I remember.
Banga-banga.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yan na
That
chantada
is
sa
the
kulasan.
These are the authentic pots.
Yes,
Yeah.
very old. This
old.
around 1968,
And they are-
67.
and this is
Chachaan.
a condiment. Yeah, kachaanan. Oh my God. Yeah.
Thank you.
And what's inside the big pot over there?
Nothing. Maybe next week.
And this one is a fermented of
Papaya.
sour, sweet, and spicy dessert. They call
Fermented,
it
it's
kakodo.
not pick.
And
This is
native
pickle.
Kalinga
Oh, it's
pears,
Pickle.
and guavas and papaya pickles
Papaya
and
pickle.
ripe tamarind.
Yes.
And it is really yummy.
Oh, they
Yeah.
also have
No, the tamarind and the other one I will display by Monday. Nakasulat
okay.
lang dyan.
Oh, so which one is already made? Oh, this one is the chili and the native vinegar. It is a fermented
Sugar cane
coconut
juice.
sugar cane juice.
coconut cake.
No, coconut, no, sugar cane
Sugar cane.
juice. Yeah, and then we put the chili and it's so good for appetizer. And the rest are, I think, it is a
These are wine.
wine from the sugar cane.
Okay.
And this one is our white beans, but they let it broken.
They somewhere
Yeah, they
There's some
roasted
with some
it.
red.
Yeah, it is roasted and
Yeah.
then
Oh,
it's
roasted.
break off, and it's very yummy when you put a
Native chicken.
snack. Yes, the native
Yeah,
chicken,
native chicken.
the hamkak like that, and it is very good. And those are papaya fruits that they are ready to eat.
Those are
They were
organic.
ripe. Yeah, and if you have a problems of constipation, you can eat the papaya and it will loosen your stool. You don't need to buy a Dulcolax. And this is a big squash. And in Pasil, we are very rich in soil, and our product is very robust and have a lot of different kinds of vegetables. And this one is the banana blossom, and we can cook it with salad or mix it with meat.
Binungo.
And it's too, yeah.
That is Mr. Indu.
Yeah.
This is...
And I thought I cannot talk that.
Sige, continue lang. Continue lang.
Ay, pakoy-pakoy.
Piam nang pinugbi sa kayo.
Busy.
Chow, tama aliya. Ito yung pangkuwak.
We do have bagoy here. We have bagoy here.
Oh, you have bagoy there.
Yes, we have a lot of bagoy here.
There.
Oh, that
This
is uno.
the
Host that.
heirloom rice.
Yeah, heirloom.
Welcome, right?
when you cook, the color is this one.
Oh.
Yes.
It's only planted in the upland area.
This is our
The
slow
mountain.
food rice. International and worldly known.
How much per
Ayun,
kilo with that heirloom rice?
It's 150 a kilo.
150. Okay.
So yummy, very organic. We don't
With
put-
aroma, of course. With aroma.
Yes, we don't put any fertilizers or things.
Yeah.
Still,
So
they
that's
are
why very organic and very good for the people because putting fertilizers is not good in our body.
Nakayos na iluya ang nat.
Kakamang makayos.
Ikawan.
Ayun ah.
Nayat ng collection.
So how did you find this fermented rice? Is it
Oh yeah, the fermented rice was really good.
Only good, what else?
And the coffee.
only good?
Okay, salamat.
Thank you.
Sige, sige, thank you. Come again.
Today. We will come again today.
Kaya ang pasitina yan na
Tapoy.
fermented simsiman
It's very strong. You like?
no hanap kung chak na timanganan.
Hi. Hi. Kaon na kami. Na, sita tupan ko. I have still pickled there if you want.
Yes,
Papaya.
ay snack ay bien.
Pio na.
O mga akal ngin akal din yan.
Mga kag.
So what?
Very strong.
Ay.
Ay.
Never mind. Kaya karutan na yan anak.
Sige, puno.
Ano amin dahil tantayaw.
Ayan na kami. Ayan na Losan.
Kamangwa akaon ni. Amang amo sure.
Ang wakaaw ni Chukham ta chanta kun mali.
Sige, ama-amo nan yan na.
Ako ayo.
Wait nin 12 un kamat cinta ulas kasi lapi akayot nung
Anak na. Hayak sa niya natapos sa piona.
Sige, battle.
Net battle no chung ni kam.
Awit ngem akayot ina online ni.
Haan at ano ngayon ako kayo tungkol ko.
No, nang natino 600 doon ato makuan sinat. Ay ato mangusan inat. Manganam inat. Iya mangwa nga root
O tani yan ah.
I put native chili and then vinegar. It's also native vinegar.
Man aga.
Akit lang. Ya labingonan agad.
O awit kimwa mi hapon na agatan.
Mangwaway aw ni.
Wa pa inayawan.
Kan kiti hapon man agat na.
So namit lang. Agad anak kami tangin like yan na.
Sige alak na yun lang yung ano.
Nain sa oil.
Nasiman na nung hapon man anak. Ito text mo.
At muna, kami si mga
Nakaibiyan ayun na. Suna, oo. Suna. That is
YouTube lang. Cukakan ng video kaya.
Yes, and this is one also, the best berry, because I
balat.
Only balbalan? Pasil ba ito eh? Ongar balbalan. Pasil!
it's up to you which your preferences. I think it's the same taste.
This is very strong. You want to try?
And
Try mo, Noy.
okay, put it there. And I think
If you, amod na strong na fake na.
it is
Bigsay, ah.
longer. That's why it's a little bit bitter. Okay.
Good for fish.
Good
When you
for
cook.
fish. And
Steam
oh,
fish.
for steamed fish. So, okay, that is a new learning to me that you can eat this with a fish. And this is the cassava. It's also done by fermentations and cassava cake and other type of cake. Okay, thank you very much.
What's your name?
And my name is Leonora.
Leonora. Are you from Tabukco?
I'm from Pasil. Yes, and thank you very much for the time.
staying in America.
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
how about you, Bo? What is your name?
My name is Linda Tresvalles from Slow Food Community, Dalupa.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Naamin na lakot ako. Nailatan po na. Best selling.
Best selling yan.
Yes.
Ano to? Ito yung ano, di ba?
This is the mustasa, the
Okay.
mampait pun, and then this is, where is that one? No more.
What did you put
rice.
this? Rice.
No more.
Ano ba? Ikea, no?
Pukul, banana blossom.
No. Sa tali.
Tarong, eggplant
Oh,
with
eggplant.
basil. Maamoy ka pa
Ubos lahat.
Iya, udo man
That
pala.
is slow food.
Hindi, kapin na utod.
Napiyak ka po. Oh, busy silang magawa ng pwesto nila kasi malapit na talaga ang Bodong Festival, kaya everybody is busy dito sa Kalinga Capital. I will update you guys. Okay, thank you for